If the InTouch Wi-Fi module is connected to the spot pack, we can use the k800 keypad to directly configure it. To do so, simply press on the program key. Then, scroll down to Wi-Fi menu and press the select key. Then, the InTouch Wi-Fi module will scan the area for all usable Wi-Fi networks. In our example, the network name is Belking G Wireless, so we can choose it with the select key. The system will then prompt for password. Use the up and down key to select the first character and the light key to skip to the next character. You can switch between capital case, lowercase, and symbols using the top right key. When all is done, confirm passcode with the select key. Return to main screen by clicking the back key. When connected to a network, you will see its name in the settings. You will also see a green check mark in the list of Wi-Fi networks beside the currently selected network. Once again, to return to the main screen, simply click on the back key.